week. It is Monday, October 12th. We did things a little bit differently today. We were up in Prescott this morning, so we drove down. We did the work on the room first, and then I did my workout. So, and you had to get to your meetings, so our recap, everything's a little different, if anyone notices. But we had discussed last night that moving this cabinet from where we had it last week right here to over here would be the best choice, because then this will be all closed off. When you walk into our bedroom, this is the first thing that you see when the curtains are open, so I wanted it to be nice and clean and hidden. So that's what we focused on today.
Easy enough.
Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot for you to do because you just helped me move it, and then you had to go into work, and then I had to do an additional 15 minutes to clean it all out, because then everything was on the bed and we had to move it over. So off the bed so that we could sleep tonight. So that's an instance where the 15 minutes needed to be expanded to 30 minutes. So, but I'm happy. I'm really excited about the direction that this is all going, and really looking forward to getting the desk out and getting your space cleaned up.
It's a lot of work to do in my office.
I know.
So.
I'm worried we're not going to be able to fit it. Now that we're here in this space, I'm worried that that black storage unit might not fit here. We might have to do some more rearranging, or maybe get another one of these guys.
Yep, we'll see.
Instead, yeah.
All right.
That's it for today. Thanks for standing next to me while I talked a whole bunch.
I don't know you needed me in that.
I always need you. It's Wednesday, October 14th, and that was extremely frustrating. I don't really want to talk about it.
That's fine. One piece is bent. Weird. And it messed everything else up, so. That's what happens when you buy these little things. So tomorrow I'm going to try a different piece and see if they'll fit together better. And then if not, I'm going to try to bend that thing out with the screwdriver. But it was pretty funny to have the whole thing fall in on us. So we'll
try a different piece and
nailed
maybe it'll be fine. Jinx. But anyway, that was super frustrating.
Yeah.
And now our guest bedroom is kind of turning into a storage room. But
very temporarily.
Okay. Yes, very temporarily until we can. It's just so that we can keep moving on this. You kind of have to like move. It's like a Rubik's Cube. You know, you got to move some yellows and some reds to some wrong places in order to get the blues and greens to the right places.
Perfect. Perfect analogy.
All right, you want to get some groceries? We need some food.
I don't want to do that either, but yeah, let's go.
Well, at least we know what we're going to get there.
Yeah.
You know? Like,
okay, bye.
It's not going to be a broken thing. Thursday, October 15th, and I know we're halfway through October already. I cannot believe it. So yesterday was a struggle. I don't even know how much of our recap I'm going to put in there, but yesterday was a struggle, just in case I don't put any of it in. We didn't lock the pieces to this all the way in place before we started assembling it, and that it just very quickly crumbled down around us, and so we just left yesterday feeling very frustrated.
It's pretty funny footage though.
Yeah. And then we came back to it today with fresh eyes and just
fresh hearts,
fresh patience,
fresh attitudes,
full tummies, 2 cups of coffee each, so we're good to go.
And I remembered how to do it.
Yeah, that's the
because I built the exact same shelves. That's what my shelves are. And I was like, oh yeah, you need to hammer those all into place. But by that time, it was way too far into it yesterday. Yeah. Today went much better.
Yeah, today went much better.
Now it's up.
And we're gonna get rid of the plastic shelf that we have in Dan's office, and all the things that are on that shelf we're gonna move into here. I feel like we didn't define this as a storage room until just recently in the past couple years. This room has been many, many things.
It used to be a workout room.
Yeah, it used to be a workout room. It used to have a nice, like, ottoman in here and, like, like a sitting room, because I had, you know, whatever. Yeah. But it never got used. So it was just like a waste of space. And so now it's being utilized, and I'm, you know, very happy with that.
Yep.
So one more day of this week. I thought we would be done with this. I know. Once you start a project, it just like starts to grow. Okay. Yep. I just feel like I have to be ready for the high five, because you always just come out of the high.
That's how I end it. That's how I end it. All right. Good job today. We did it.
Yeah. Friday. I was literally gonna say August. What is wrong? I don't know what day it is, month it is. It's 2020 is what it is.
Friday, October 16th.
Thanks.
Another week done.
We need lots of high fives for today.
Big progress today, though.
Yeah.
This looks awesome.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
We switched it up. That white cabinet has now had 3 spots, but it's in its final resting spot. Good idea.
Thank you.
I like that. That it's just all... It was so busy with all the other stuff, but this is good. We got 2 L's in either corner, and it's awesome. And I'm excited for what's going to come tomorrow in the mail from Amazon that we're going to add to this room. It's a secret.
It's like Akbar Bajabi Amila says, you got to keep your L's.
What? I was like, you were speaking another language. Far Bajamija Mila.
Akbar Bajabi Amila.
Who's that? Oh, Akbar from American Children.
It says you gotta keep your L's.
Oh, right.
You gotta keep your L's. We're keeping our L's.
Oh my God. If nobody watches American Ninja Warrior, they have no idea. No, that was so obscure. Anyway. Yes. Good one.
Thanks.
I love it. So, what do we want to say about this week? We voted. We went and dropped off our ballots today. Very important. Make sure you vote.
I think it was a good week.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with this.
Me too. I was not sure we were going to find another one of these.
So, we didn't remember where we got these shelves from. And we looked at Home Depot online and Lowe's online. And we're like, well, it had to have been one of those places, and we couldn't find it. So then we forgot about it.
Gave up.
And then I was at Costco looking for something completely else, stumbled down the aisle, saw this thing, and I was like, oh, we got them at Costco.
This is where we got it.
We got another one.
So it worked out perfectly because I wanted something that was going to kind of be just similar. Like, I think we're going to be able to fit, not only does it match, we're going to be able to fit the stuff better because these shelves are all perfectly lined up.
Yep.
Whereas that other one, it would have been uneven. This just makes it look cleaner.
Yeah.
So, and more organized. And so I'm just so happy about this nice space here.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it's been a good week, and I'm really thankful for all of you guys for watching and sharing and liking and commenting, and even the text messages that I get from people. This has been a really fun project for me and something new to focus on. And I'm a graphic designer, so I'm used to working on my computer all the time, but I usually work with still photographs, not video. So it's been super cool for me to kind of explore this new world of video and have a different creative outlet. So thanks so much for watching, and we hope you join us next week to find out what our little surprise is that we're gonna put into this room to kind of really finish it off. I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
So yes, please be sure to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a great week.